Hey everyone, in this episode of Adventures with Dan and Tracy, we are driving to Muddy Creek Cabins in Kremmling, Colorado, where we will spend the night. And tomorrow morning we're going on a cattle drive with Rusty Spurr Ranch. And Tracy here is very excited about that.
Bucket list item.
Absolutely. So, come and join us. We'll go ahead and give you a review of Muddy Creek Cabins. Cabin 9 here, but yeah, look at the amazing backyard view that we're going to have tonight.
Wow. Oh my god, this is so cool. There's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8's right here. 9's right here. Here's our humble abode.
Here we are.
Right next to the silent
So this is gonna be our place tonight.
This is our home for the night.
Yay.
Wow. Oh my god. This is Western living, y'all.
Yes.
This is what I'm talking about. Oh my gosh.
Alright, let's take a look inside and see what there is to see.
Cool.
Yes.
Oh, there's a ceiling fan.
Yep, so just discovered a ceiling fan. So there is a couch here, and I want to say that's like a, I think that's a sleeper sofa.
There's our front yard.
Yes. Very rustic.
Very cool. Oh my gosh, this is so cool.
Oh, there's a remote here. I guess that's for controlling the fan.
Yeah.
Oh, now, no smoking is allowed. It's important.
Yay, and here's our table, our picnic table.
Mm-hmm. Oh, they got a little stove here. If you need to stay warm.
Yay.
And
wood burning stove.
put some wood in there, yep. And they have a TV here.
There's a TV.
With Dish Network.
And yeah, it's a sleeper sofa.
It is a sleeper sofa, so yay.
Oh, please remove this paper and place on the table if you use the sofa bed. Cool. So they'll know to change the sheets.
Yes, that's clever.
That's very clever. Wow, look at this. There's a microwave and a sink.
Mm-hmm.
And then here's the freezer.
Mm-hmm. Cool.
And the microwave, or the fridge.
Refrigerator, cool.
Yay.
Oh, and there is a microwave.
Yep. Oh, I like this. Look at that.
Oh,
it's a nice little
that's
touch.
clever.
And they have dishes. This is fantastic.
Yes. Well, that's what Tracy was mentioning here. That's kind of clever.
That's
the way
very,
they do that.
I like that little detail. And they've got a toaster and bowls and
Paper
there's
towels
coffee.
and oh, they actually have coffee in here. Yay. That's cool. And coffee filters. Good. Yeah, I was concerned I would go into caffeine famine.
he was sweating a bit.
Yeah.
And I was too a little bit. So, oh, here's the toilet. Oh, this is a good sized bathroom. Wow. There's actually a sink in here.
Yes.
And toilet and extra towels and toilet paper and more facial tissue. Oh, and a bath mat. I love having a separate bath mat. You know, everybody when they travels like different things, and this is a nice touch that I appreciate. And look at, this is a good sized tub.
Mm-hmm.
For tall people, you might need to watch yourself. This is not an issue for me, but Daniel might need to
duck a bit.
Duck.
And
then they provide, it looks like maybe shampoo and soap.
I see something over here too.
Yeah.
So
they do have shampoo and conditioner and soap.
yes.
Okay, well, yeah, and shower gel. So they do provide that.
And let's see. And there is a bathroom fan. So frequently these places do not have bathroom fans, but it's good. It helps get the steam out. Are there any utensils in the drawers?
There are.
Okay, that's useful. And a corkscrew if you brought any alcohol with you.
Corkscrew. I love
Nice.
this. See, he has hairy armpits. Okay, so there's the toilet and there's the garbage. I'm assuming this is probably the heater, the water heater.
Oh yeah, there's the water heater. Okay, so no need to go in here really.
Yeah. Oh, this is very nice. I like this. Nice touch. This is a queen size bed and has two tray tables that are acting as end tables. And they do have a fan.
Yes, there's a box fan in here.
Oh my gosh.
Helps create white noise. And it looks like there might be a portable heater there. And a luggage rack. Hangers. So,
And a Bible.
and a Bible. Oh, and
Drawers.
drawers to put your things in.
I
Yes.
love the touches in here. Oh my gosh. Fantastic. I love this place. Isn't this adorable?
Yes.
Oh, and then check out our backyard. Cool view, huh? That is a western view if I've ever seen it.
Oh, it is amazing.
Gosh,
I can see some animals come up to here.
gosh, that would be awesome. I hope so.
Looks like that's a bit of a swampy ground there between us and the mountains.
Yeah.
They're very cool.
So excited.
Yay! So tomorrow morning we'll have to tell you guys how we felt about staying here at the Muddy Creek Cabins. Yay! We really enjoyed our time at Muddy Creek Cabins in Kremmling, Colorado. One really cool thing is that when you step out at night, you can see all these stars. I wouldn't call it a dark sky experience, but it was quite beautiful. We could see quite a few stars at night. The owners were really nice. At one point we were having an issue with the toilet. The owner was very nice. He came out, fixed the situation, and was on his way. He was very friendly. So, yeah, Muddy Creek Cabins was a great place to stay. The bed was very comfortable. The pull-out sofa was comfortable. Got lots of channels on TV without any issues, and we really liked it. It was well worth staying at. The Wi-Fi was good. I mean, we never had any issues with using the Wi-Fi service there. And when using the shower, it didn't take long to get the shower nice and warm and hot, and water pressure was pretty good. So those are also very important things. Anyway, we're on our way back to Denver now, and looking forward to more adventures coming up our way. Woohoo! Go ahead and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Give this video a huge thumbs up, and in the comment section below, go ahead and leave any questions or comments that you might have about Muddy Creek Cabins in Kremmling, Colorado. We appreciate your support. And always remember, life is sweet for the bold, so adventure with us on Adventures with Dan and Tracie.